Hello friends, welcome to Let's Compete with Sparanjali, and this is chapter 3 of Geography of Bihar, Climate and Soil of Bihar. Let's solve this question MCQ base. This MCQ base is very lengthy among these all 6 chapters. This chapter I found the MCQs are very lengthy. I mean it's like 40 questions. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Anyhow. where is Question number 1, where is tal soil found in Bihar? Answer will be in backwater belt of river Ganga. Question number 2, tal soil extend from Buxar to answer A, option A will be the answer, Baka. Question number 3 is, what are the major crops that can be grown of Balthar soil? Answer will be jowar and bajra. Question number 4 is, lowest temperature in Bihar is found in, option A is the answer, Gaya. Question number 5 is, the eastern Bihar has higher humidity. This can be attributed to, option C is answer, continental monsoon climate. Question number 6 is, which type of soil is predominantly found in the plains of Ganga? Option will be alluvial soil. Question number 7 is, the recent alluvial soil is found in which of the following district of Bihar? Answer will be all of these above. That means Purnia, Saharsa, Darbhanga. Question number 8 is, in which district of Bihar Bal Sundari soil is found? Answer will be all of the above. That means Saharsa, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur. Question number 9 is, the old alluvial soil is found in which of the following district of Bihar? Answer will be all of the above. That means Nalanda, Munger, Bhagalpur. Question number 10 is, which of the following soil is not found in the North Ganga plain? Answer will be Baltar soil. Question number 11 is, which district of Bihar records the highest temperature? Answer will be Gaya. Question number 12, the spread area of Baltar soil in Bihar is south to west of Ganga. Question number 13 is, which of the following is not a feature of Bhangar soil in Bihar? Answer will be found in lowland areas. Option D. Question number 14 is, which of the following is false about Piedmont soil? Answer will be mostly found in South Bihar plain. Question number 15 is, the Bhangar soil in Bihar is found in, option B will be the correct answer, Purnia, Saharsa, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur area. Question number 15. Now let's move to the question number 16. The old alluvial soil in Bihar is found in Rohtas, Gaya, Patna, Munger, Bhagalpur area. Next question is question number 70. The Bal Sundari soil in Bihar is found in Saharsa. Option A will be the answer, Saharsa, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur, Saran area. Question number 18 is, the 5 to 7 kilometer wide Tarai region in Bihar extends in, option D will be the answer, West Champaran, Sitamarhi, Araria, Kishanganj. Question number 19 is, in which area of Bihar the concentration of lime in the soil is found? Answer A will be the answer, North Bihar plain. Question number 20. Consider the following statements about nor'westers. Answer will be B, only 4. That means it is a hot wind blowing from west. Which of the above statement is are wrong? That means only it is. Oh, this is the question. Sorry. This part, which of the above statement is yeah are wrong? So options are given only 4. Statements are given only 4. And so B is the answer. It is a hot wind blowing from west. About northwesters. Question number 21. Which of the following is the major cause of arrival of monsoon in Bihar? Answer will be pressure difference. Option A. Question number 22 is which of the following statement is not found correct regarding Karel Kibble soil? Option D is the correct answer. They have less water absorption capacity. Now let's move to question number 23. In which of the following district Khadar soil is found? Option C will be the answer. Purnia and Saharsa. I'm sorry. Uh, yeah. Question number 24. In which of the following district Piedmont swamp soil is found? In West Champaran. Question number 25 is by which month of monsoon winds retreat from Bihar? Option B will be the answer. October. Question number 26 is what is the older alluvium of Ganga plains called? Option C is the answer. Khadar. Question number 27 is the highest rainfall in Bihar occurs in. Option A will be the answer. Northeast Bihar. Question number 28 is Hathiya Nakshatra is associated with rainfall in October. Option A. Now, question number 29. Which district of Bihar gets highest rainfall? Option B will be the answer. Kishanganj. Now, let's move to the question number 30. That is, cold waves experienced in Bihar in winter season cover the following area. Option B will be the answer. Bihar plain. Question number 31. The local wind Lu blowing in Bihar has following wind velocity 8 by 16 km per hour. 8 to 16 km per hour. Question number 32. The rainfall during monsoon in Bihar is due to. Option D is the answer. South to west monsoon. Southwest monsoon. Yeah. Which of the following crop is grown in red and yellow soil? Answer will be option A. Pulses. Question number 34 is in which of the following month humidity is lowest? Option A will be the answer. April. Question number 35 is which of the following soils is formed from the disintegration of igneous and metamorphic rocks? Answer will be option A. Red and yellow soil. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 36 is Usar soil is found in which district? Answer will be C. Siwan. Question number 37. Which of the following district does not fall in the agroclimatic zone 1 of Bihar? Answer will be Katihar. Question number 38. Which of the agroclimatic zone of Bihar is drought prone? Option B will be the answer. Zone 3. You have to see the map, then only you can understand what is this zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and about this you have to see the Bihar map about climatic zone. So question number, let's move. Question number 39. Sandy loam and clay loam soil is the characteristic of which agroclimatic zone of Bihar? Option B is the answer. Zone 2. Question number 40. This is the last question of chapter 3. Um, chapter 3, that means climate and soil of Bihar. Question number 40 is the Tal lands and Dehra plains are the characteristic of which agroclimatic zone of Bihar? So option A will be the answer, zone 3. If you want to know in brief about this zone, please go through the map, Google it, search it of Bihar about agroclimatic zones of Bihar so that you can understand very clear. Thank you for watching my video channel. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.